Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to use Chegg for online tutoring. To use Chegg for online tutoring, you can either seek help as a student or provide expert as a guide or a tutor. Chegg offers a specialized support through its Chegg Skill one-to-one tutoring platform, connecting student with expert for personalized academic session. Now what you need is log into your account and navigate to tutor section in the top navigation bar. So here you could just go ahead and look for it, and you just want to make sure to go ahead and select the subscription if you have to. You can request a personal tutor for immediate assistance or schedule a regular one-on-one session by video call, voice, or text chat as well. And if you don't need a live session, you can just post a photo or text your questions to the expert. Q&A board receives a step-by-step solutions typically within an hour. And tutoring is often billed by minute, so roughly $0.75 per minute, or include as part of a basic subscription bundle. So with that, you will be able to use Chegg for online tutor. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.